are going to love the 2015 Dodge Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, trip computer, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front bucket seats, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.